It's RSI Studios here, back again with a new video. In today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing review on custom made Chucky doll by Jade Finuliar. He's from the Philippines. He does awesome work. He does custom Chucky dolls. Not only that, he does I believe Annabelle. He's gonna do Jigsaw pretty soon. He does Angry Face Chucky. He does Good Guy Dolls Chucky. He does Scar Chucky, Buddy Chucky, and Two-Face. I said that right, but I'm saying like his work is actually cool and stuff. I mean, I'm gonna review one of them right now, so you're gonna see how cool the detail his work is. I purchased one of the Chucky dolls like 7 months ago. I mean, I did down payments, but I would have purchased it fully like months ago, but because the pandemic, his border was closed, so to ship to the USA, so I couldn't really get that in time, or he couldn't really ship it in time. But hopefully today he could ship the item in time, or he do down payments during the line. But yeah, man, it was the review. And he also says he's gonna do voodoo dolls from Child's Play 1, so he's almost like at that point that he will sell them. But yeah, he also check out his channel, man. I'll put it in link in the description. If y'all don't know, he has a channel, and then link his Facebook. He's also in the Chucky Nation, so he's approved like officially. So yeah, let's review his doll right now.
Oops, I did it again.
Alright, so let's look at the details of the eyes and the eyebrows, how the Jade Finuliar did it. The eyes are made out of like a weird glass material. Like no, they look glass, but they're not really. But it's like a cool material, and then the teeth are like some type of good plastic that's not drawn into the skin or the head or skull. Same thing with Chucky Studios. I mean, this one is a little different compared to them, but this one's made out of like the car material, resin, car fiber, some shit like that. Chucky Studios is a straight vinyl, which this is like if you drop this hard enough, it'll definitely break. With Chucky Studios, it'll scuff. Like if you drop a Chucky Studios doll, you probably scuff or maybe break, because I've seen it happen before on Tony Biz's Instagram. So yeah, so the teeth, yeah, like I said, it's good materials. The shoes are the same, material, and they have the good guy, sign on them. And the cool thing is that they have like the good guy print on the shoes too. Some of the like deepest detail as Spirit and Chucky Studios has done before. NECA might do it too. And then look, the clothes are the same as the Chucky Studios clothes. They feel exact the same. They almost look the same. I guess just the colors are off. The overalls, it's super similar to the good guy and Cedar Chucky one, but it's super dark compared to them. But I'm pretty sure the Cedar Chucky and Chucky Studios good guy one, or good guy one, use the same overalls. Just that the overalls and the C is obviously ripped. They have to do it. This is plush material. Not a lot of Chucky dolls that are cheap have that material. So like foam is what Chucky Studios is working with. NECA, I heard the same. So this is like the reason why I bought this, because I wanted the plush version, and I don't want to wait for Chucky Studios to announce one. The Angry Face Child's Play 2, which will take basically 2 years to get. So I was not really gonna wait that long again. So I'm trying to finish this shit quick, like my collection. But then the wig is the same like wig as the good guy one. I'm not sure of the Cedar Chucky. I think they punched in the hair, but yeah, the wig is the same. Like I said, the ball joints are strong as hell, like the like the Chucky Studios one, good guy one. Nowadays Chucky Studios not working with ball joints. I heard that the good guy doll updates are same as the Cedar Chucky wired one, so you're not gonna see that ever again unless you buy an older version of the good guy one. But yeah, overall, yeah, I'd recommend Jade Finuliar's doll. I hope y'all pick it up, and I'll link all his stuff in the description, and Facebook and on YouTube, his YouTube. But yeah, man, it's super close. The price was super close to Chucky Studios Cedar Chucky one, so hopefully y'all DM them about the price and stuff. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully you guys like this video too. But I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care.